Miriada is a 2013 Leopard 48 with 4 staterooms and a crew cabin. Up on the bow to starboard, we have 2 water tanks and a storage compartment. The windlass is in the center, and the 9.6 kW diesel generator and the 3rd water tank is to port. There's a separate deck access entrance for the crew cabin. The forward cockpit has great seating, 2 fold-up tables, and additional storage. There's a watertight door that gives you an entrance to the salon. Miriada features a very large aft deck area. There are 2 54-horsepower Yanmar diesel engines with SD50 sail drives, 175-amp high-output Balmar alternators, Raycor fuel filters, and 4-bladed max props. There's a 2023 Highfield Hypalon 380 inflatable dinghy with a 25-horsepower electric start Yamaha outboard motor. There's a propane locker with 2 tanks. There are 4 Lithionics lithium batteries for a total of 1,260 amp hours. There's 2,500 watts of solar with 6 MPPT controllers and a Victron 5,000 watt inverter charger. There's an additional deck refrigerator. The 3-panel sliding door leads to the elegant salon. The spacious salon is finished in rich cherry wood. There are 3 reverse cycle air conditioning units. There is also a 60-gallon-per-hour water maker. There's a dual voltage freezer refrigerator, access to the AC and DC electrical panel, trash bin, dual stainless steel sinks, additional storage under the cabin sole. There's great locker and storage space. The cooktop is both induction and propane. There's a forward-facing nav station with autopilot controls. The starboard hall features 2 double staterooms. There is a large head with a stall shower. The other starboard head has been converted into a storage locker with a laundry center. It can be easily converted back to a head with shower. The port hall features 2 double staterooms. There are shelves and a hanging locker in each stateroom. There is a head with a stall shower. There are pull-out drawers under each of the double stateroom berths. Again, additional storage has been created by converting one of the heads to a storage and pantry. This again can be converted back to a head with a shower. Miriada is extensively equipped, and a personal inspection is highly recommended. Please contact Jordan Yachts for the extensive equipment list and to arrange for a personal inspection.